To overcast the edges of your fabric so they don't become unravelly and all stringy inside your projects, we need a stitch that's going to jump over the edge and secure it for you. This is where a serger or overlock machine comes in. But even for us that have sergers, sometimes we only need to go from here to here and be done with the project. We don't have to go set up the serger, maybe change to a new color. We can do it with our sewing machine. I like to use the sewing advisor. We can tell it what fabric we're working on. This is going to be a woven medium. And then the second sewing technique, number 2 down here at the bottom, is overcast. It's going to pick the right stitch for us, the right setting, and look at the top. It recommends foot J. Foot J is going to help us know where to line the fabric up. I'm going to go kind of right on the inside of this toe here. And there's also a little pin in there. As the stitch goes off the edge, it's going to support the stitch so it doesn't curl the fabric and roll it over. So let's go ahead and put on the foot, slide that underneath. Now, one thing nice is if you have different fabrics picked, you will get different stitches recommended for this particular technique. So just let the machine once again do the work for you. It'll set up the tension, it'll set up the needle recommendation. Everything is set up for you. So when I go ahead and step on the foot control, you want to really make sure you're coming down on the edge of the fabric where you want it to be. Touch the presser foot down function 2 times. Once to lower it on the fabric and once again to pop it up so it's hovering, and then you can move the fabric and then get it just where you need it and then go ahead and start to stitch. You really want the needle to, as it goes off to the right side, to come off the edge of the fabric. That's going to help keep the fraying edges from coming out anymore during washings. And see how nice it is? And it's done. And how quick that goes down the edge of your fabric.